lots of people and a steaming cup of tea. And the question, is the dishwasher stacked properly? And it seemed to me that you lived your life like a very busy place, and the kitchen often having at least one new face. And I would have liked to live there, but I was just a man. The contract moved on long before the engine ever can. Goodbye, Lisbon Road, you know I'll miss all the cake. This approach to health is one that I could take. Always lots of Christian books that just sat behind the loo. Always hoping to convert someone for just passing through. And it seems to me that a lot of friends have spent nights upon your floor, never knowing who would answer when I rang the door. And I would have liked to know you, but I was just a man. The tea light burned out long before the legend